required to change their community. Third one, to speak about the markets we are finding and opening so that things like cassava flour, simsim, fish can be aggregated in a consortium basis, and we help companies to export. That's why we are here.
Yes, sir. Talking about the export, in what ratio do we stand as per now as a country? Where do we fall as per now as a country? How much are we exporting?
When we began this work in 2022, we were exporting 4.5 billion US dollars. I can't put it in shillings. When I checked in February of this year, we had reached 6.9 billion. This is not just PACEID work alone. Institutions of government combine to do this. But PACEID makes the largest noise on markets in the world, so that we have attention as a country as a good source of good products that were not known. Our target is $6 billion by 2028, which will double our current exports.
So maybe what are some of the efforts that are currently in place to support the new graduates who are going to the job market?
So a country does not export as a country, it exports as companies. So you really have to be careful, you people who are taking this message, that even when we say Lango, you need a group of companies that can get orders, that have skilled workers, discipline, to produce the right quality and on time. Now, that's why the business I do is to support sick companies or non-existent ones we have to bring onto the market. Uganda doesn't have a hospital. When companies are sick, where they go, they just die. We are now trying to create a hospital to see, why are you sick? Is it bad behavior of the company? Is it interest rates? Is it lack of market? It is helping us understand the weaknesses of our country so that we can solve problems solved 50 years ago by Asia. South Korea, Japan, all those countries you hear, they set up national companies to sell in other markets. Under those companies, they put Lango companies, Acholi companies, Uganda companies. Eventually, the money coming in is foreign exchange and technology in those countries.